What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make gluten-free chocolate bundt cake. So for today's chocolate cake recipe, which was created in 1764 by Dr. James Baker, when just grabbing cocoa and grinding it, which created chocolate cake. Now we're gonna veganize it and make it gluten-free. Alright, so for today's recipe, we're gonna use baking soda, baking powder, Himalayan salt, flour, sugar, and cocoa. So for today's recipe, we got mix, and mix that up. Mixing it, guys. Make sure you mix it until it becomes nice and smooth and all the ingredients are mixed in together. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's go. Alright guys, so after you combined all your ingredients together to make it even a better cake, add it to a sifter. Alright guys, just get a sifter and just sift it in until everything comes out and there's no lumps. Keep doing this until you're finished. This is what it looks like after you sift it. And the cocoa is blended in nicely with all the ingredients, guys. This is how you make real chocolate cake. Alright guys, so for today's buttermilk, I am using 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, guys. This is how you make it, and then you let it rest for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so we're gonna put it in our wet mixture. You have olive oil, applesauce, just eggs, chia seeds, and vanilla, guys. So we're gonna whisk that in, and then we're gonna pour in our buttermilk. You could smell the vanilla. It smells delicious, guys. Hello to all my brand new subscribers and my old as well. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's go. Alright guys, so make a little hole in the middle so when we pour this mixture in, it's perfect. Just pour in our wet mixture and just whisk, guys. Alright family, so for today's chocolate cake, we're gonna use some coffee. A lot of people don't like to use it, but coffee brings chocolate together like turmeric and black pepper. Alright guys, so add in 1 cup of coffee. Make sure it's nice and hot and begin to mix. For today's chocolate bundt cake, make sure you preheat your oven at 350 degrees before you start baking. Alright family, get you a nice greased bundt pan, because if you don't, that nice chocolate cake is gonna stick. Alright guys, so let's just pour it all in. Alright guys, so for your bundt cake, don't forget, put this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's go. Alright guys, so our chocolate gluten-free bundt cake is finally ready. Let it rest in the pan for 5 minutes, and then you're gonna get a wire rack, cover it up, flip it, and rest for 1 hour. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit the like button, smash on that subscribe button, swing on that bell. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's finally ready. Check this out. Gluten-free chocolate bundt cake. Alright family, after the cake has been cooling down for 1 hour, Now we're gonna put some of this icing on this baby. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit on that bell, subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys, so for the frosting, it's gonna be just a few recipes, and you know where you can find it. Where? On vegankingsworld.com. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna put some of this beautiful icing on the Bundt cake, guys, like so. Alright, guys, so we're gonna grab some mini morsels that are also vegan. We're gonna just throw it all over the top, make it look so nice and pretty, guys. Alright, guys, it's finally ready. I made vegan chocolate gluten-free Bundt cake. Now let's go for the slice, guys. So let's go in for our first slice and see what this bad boy looks like. Alright, guys, you already know what time it is. Now it's time to bite. Hello to all my new subscribers and my old ones. This bite is for you. This does not taste gluten-free, guys. This is amazing. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, swing and shake on that bell. Peace.